Okay. Gagawa po tayo ng simple pizza, vegetable pizza. Kaya we are doing Salad Master healthy pizza tonight. Okay? Because we are trying to promote Salad Master healthy cooking. Healthy living. So we'll put zucchini. Zucchini is rich in vitamin C. It also aids in your digestion. It prevents cancer. Ang daming benefits pala ng zucchini. Helps in iron. Because of the vitamins that it has, it helps to transport iron. So it will prevent or avoid anemia. So napaka-healthy. Even carrots. Carrots is rich in vitamin A. Meron pa siyang yung carrots parang meron siyang vitamin K. So it's very healthy. Meron din siyang yung beta-carotene that also helps in your eyesight. Napaka-nutrition po ito. Rich in nutrition. Kaya, yun po yung ating...
You want some more?
If we have mushroom, we can add mushroom. Okay, but I was not able to buy mushroom. Okay. So how about bell pepper? Is it okay with you?
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
Capsicum is fine.
Our food processor has 5 cones. This is the cone number 1, the small one. Cone number 2, cone number 3, 4, and 5. So we are using the first one that we grind the carrots and zucchini is cone number 1. Now it's the cone number 4 that we are using to slice the bell pepper. We call this a chopper. It chops the vegetables, cabbage, or anything you want to chop, you can use. Kuwentuhan lang. Ayan na po yung pizza natin. Ready to...
Ayan na, ganda. Ganda na pagkakagawa,
Oo. Luto yung fried chicken natin.
Paano maluluto? May laman pa.
Kaya nga, nakalimutan
Kwentuhan tayo
Tignan mo, nakatulog na.
Nagawa ka ng Nagawa ka ng pizza?